Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This came out of a Silverado. The Colorado also shares the same key fob. It's pretty simple. All you need is your new battery. This takes one 2032 battery. You can get these on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. There's a link below, and that'll take you straight to Amazon. You can get what you need. And then also a flat blade screwdriver. So go to the back of this, and right here at the very end, just kind of stick it in this hole and just wedge it back and forth like that. All right, now you got your access to the battery, and at this point I'd recommend going here and working that up. Definitely be gentle because there's your circuit board, so you want to definitely be careful with that. See, this lip right here is where that goes in first, so you want to come out that way. All right, so to reassemble this, there's little teeth on top of here. You want to put that in first, and then give it a good squeeze, and you're all set. Back in action. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.